Hello, welcome. I want to talk to you today about a belief system that can completely transform your life. A belief system that, if applied, can bring you everything you desire. You can achieve your goals, manifest your dreams, and make your visualizations a reality in just 3 days. Sounds impossible? It's not. The truth is, this is something that everyone can do. And I want to show you how. Let's begin with a simple truth: you already have everything you need to succeed. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have, and it's your belief system that determines your reality. Everything you see around you, everything you experience, is the result of what you believe. So, if you can change your beliefs, you can change your reality. The key here is to understand that your thoughts shape your world. Every thought you have is creating your future. Every moment, you are choosing what to believe and what to focus on. This is how you begin to create your reality. The belief system I'm talking about is simple, but it requires you to understand one thing clearly: you are the creator of your experience. You can visualize the life you want to live. You can see yourself having everything you desire. But the key is to believe it so deeply that it becomes a reality. When you truly believe that what you want is already yours, it has no choice but to manifest in your life. This isn't just positive thinking. This is about understanding the true power of belief. Start by visualizing exactly what you want. Don't worry about how it will happen. Your job is not to figure out the how. That's not your responsibility. Your only responsibility is to believe it's already done. Visualize your goal as if it's already real. Feel the emotions of having it. Imagine the joy, the gratitude, the satisfaction. The more vividly you can see it, the faster it will manifest. But here's the most important part: don't doubt it. Doubt is the enemy of belief. If you can't trust that your visualization will come to life, then it won't. You have to trust in the process, trust that the universe is working in your favor, trust that everything is unfolding as it should. When you hold on to your belief without wavering, that's when the magic happens. The next step is to get into the feeling of having already received your desire. When you start to feel the emotions of already having what you want, you shift your vibration. And when your vibration is aligned with your desire, that's when things begin to shift in your outer world. Your belief creates a magnetic force that draws your desires to you. And that's when you start to see results, sometimes quickly, sometimes in as little as 3 days. I want you to understand that this process is not about force or struggle. It's not about trying to make something happen. It's about allowing what you want to flow into your life effortlessly. The key is trust. Trust in your ability to create, trust in the process, and trust that the universe is always working in your favor. When you can let go of control and simply believe, the universe will begin to bring everything you've visualized into your life. This belief system works because it taps into the law of attraction. What you focus on expands. If you focus on what you want, you will attract more of it. If you focus on lack or limitation, you will attract more of that. So, if you want to change your life, you must change your focus. Start focusing on what you desire, and start feeling as if it's already yours. Now, I know this may sound simple, and in many ways, it is. But it requires commitment. It requires you to consistently feed your mind with positive beliefs and to be mindful of where your thoughts are going. The world around you is always reflecting your inner state. If you want to see change in your life, you must start by changing your thoughts and beliefs. One of the most powerful tools you have in this process is gratitude. Gratitude is the fastest way to raise your vibration. When you feel grateful for what you have, even if it's not exactly what you want, you start to send out a signal of abundance to the universe. And the universe responds by bringing more of what you're grateful for into your life. You might be thinking, but what if things aren't going the way I want right now? That's okay. Remember, everything is temporary. Your current circumstances do not define your future. What matters is where you focus your energy. If you can focus on your vision, on your belief that everything is already yours, then your circumstances will begin to shift to reflect that. When you shift your mindset to this belief system, you start to understand that you don't need to wait for the world to change for you to get what you want. Instead, you can begin to change your world immediately, right from where you are. All it takes is to stop doubting yourself and your abilities. Once you make the shift and decide that you are worthy of all the good things you want, everything starts to fall into place. Your internal world creates your external reality. And once you see your life in this way, you'll realize that you can literally create whatever reality you desire. If you can hold a clear, unwavering belief that what you want is already yours, it has no choice but to manifest in your life. This is not a complex process. It's a matter of aligning your mind and feelings with your desires and allowing them to unfold naturally. There is no magic involved in this process, but there is immense power in understanding how your mind works. The more you connect with the feeling of having what you want, the more quickly your desires will come to you. And this connection is deeper than just thinking positive thoughts. It's about aligning yourself fully with the idea that your dreams are not distant possibilities, they are already happening, and it's only a matter of time before you see them physically manifest. As you move forward with this belief system, be mindful of your inner dialogue. Your inner thoughts can either propel you forward or hold you back. If you find yourself thinking negative thoughts or doubting your ability to manifest, gently redirect your mind. Affirm to yourself that you are worthy, that your desires are already on their way, and that everything is unfolding perfectly. The beauty of this belief system is that it allows you to take control of your own reality. It empowers you to shape your life as you want it. So, don't wait for permission or for someone to tell you that it's okay to believe in yourself. The time is now. Start using this belief system today, and watch how your life begins to change in the most amazing ways. There are no limits to what you can manifest when you truly believe in your power to create. Let's break this down even more. You visualize your desire, you believe it's already yours, and you feel the emotions of having it. But you also need to be aware of your inner dialogue. Your mind is always talking to you, and it's crucial that the words you use support your belief system. When you say things like, "I can't," or "it's impossible," or "I don't deserve it," you are affirming the opposite of what you want. Instead, choose words that reflect the reality you're creating. Speak as if your dreams are already a reality. When you speak with conviction, you reinforce your belief, and that belief becomes stronger. The power of your mind is limitless. You can have, do, or be anything you desire. The only thing standing between you and your dreams is the belief that it is possible for you. When you believe, truly believe, that your desires are already on their way, you will see them manifest before your eyes. It's important to remember that the universe operates on a different timeline than we do. Just because you don't see immediate results doesn't mean it's not working. Stay patient, stay positive, and continue to believe. Everything is happening for you, even if you don't see it yet. Trust the process, and trust that it's unfolding in perfect timing. The belief system I'm sharing with you today is simple, but it's also incredibly powerful. You can have anything you want, the key is to believe it's already yours. Visualize it, feel it, and trust it. When you do, everything you desire will begin to flow into your life with ease. So, if you're ready to manifest everything you desire in just 3 days, it's time to start believing. Believe that what you want is already on its way. Believe that the universe is working in your favor. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Because when you believe, the world will open up to you in ways you can't even imagine. You have everything you need within you to create the life you desire. Trust in your ability, believe in the power of your mind, and watch as your dreams come true. The process is simple. The results are extraordinary. Believe, visualize, and feel. That's the key to manifesting your desires in 3 days. Now, I want to ask you for a small favor. If you found value in this message, please take a moment to like this video. Your support helps to keep this content coming. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribing means you'll get notified every time new content is uploaded to help you stay on track with your goals and manifest your desires. So, if you found this helpful, hit that like button now. If you enjoyed this message, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Your friends, your family, your loved ones, they may be looking for exactly this kind of inspiration to make a change in their own lives. So don't hesitate to spread the word. You never know who could benefit from hearing this right now.